Today I'm going to show you how to make map line animation in Premiere Pro. First, begin by selecting the pen tool from the toolbar. Click on several points on your map to outline the path you want your line to follow. Highlight your image and graphic layer in your timeline and extend them to match the duration you want for your animation. Head over to the Essential Graphics panel and uncheck the fill, then add a stroke. Adjust the width and the color of your stroke to fit the style of your project. Navigate to the Effects panel and search for the crop effect. Apply this effect to your graphic layer. Then, head to the Effects Controls panel and locate the right crop. Start by increasing the right crop value until your line begins to appear on the screen. Add keyframes to mark the progression of the animation. Move the timeline slider to the end of your clip and decrease the crop value until your line animation is fully revealed. Adjust the keyframes as needed to ensure a smooth and seamless animation. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and until next time.